Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. Today we are going to see how to disable right click through HTML and JavaScript. So let's get started. Here I have written few lines of code in HTML. You can see that we have HTML tag and then head tag and body tag. And after that, if I will save it, I have saved it in the HTML folder here and then index.html. So if I will open it, it will show HTML form. So this is the code that we have written here. Now let's open this index.html file with Visual Studio Code. We have HTML code and body tag, then h2. Let's add few more lines. So suppose I'll say I'm just going to create one label name, and then I'll say input type equal to text, and then let's close this text input box, and then I'll say input type equal to submit, and then close this one. And if I will save it now and will go here in index and then run it again. So what will happen? It is showing HTML form and then name equal to the text box, and then we have the submit button. If I will right click here in this page anywhere, right, you can see we have this option right click. So we can use this right click here anywhere. I can click right click and then I can perform these options. So now what I want is to disable the right click so that I should not be able to right click here in this page. For that, what we have to do, we have two ways. One is either directly I can add here one event on the body tag and it will be disabled. So let's add here event that is called on context menu. So the right click is called as context menu. So I'll say on context menu equal to, and then I'll say return false, and then save it. I'll go here again, refresh this page, and then try to right click. Now I'm doing right click here, but you can see it is not showing anything. The context menu is not coming. You can see it's not coming. And if I will open any other page, then it will work. But in this page, now context menu will not work. It happened because we have added a code on context menu equal to return false. It will disable the right click on your complete body on your page, or wherever you want. You can add this code. It will be disabled the right click on the particular page. Other option is you can use pure JavaScript, and using that you can control the right click. So now let's say I am refreshing it again and it is showing this thing, showing right click. So I will go again and here I will add a JavaScript. So let's say inside head I'll add a script, and then inside a script I will do one event handler. So I'll write document dot add event listener, and in this event listener what I will do, I will pass the event that is called context menu. So context menu is event, and here I need to pass the event e as a function, and then let's write here. So what I will write here, I will simply say e dot prevent default. So I just want to prevent the default behavior on context menu and save it. So now after doing this, let's go here and refresh the page. Now you can see right click is not working. So you can click anywhere, you can try to right click, but it will not work. Since we have added a JavaScript, here it is saying that you add event listener on context menu, and that is prevent the default behavior. Now, the benefit of adding JavaScript here is if you have something, let's say you have used image tag or any other thing. For example, let's say if I'll do image src equal to, we can pass any image, and then let's say I'll say width equal to 400, height equal to 400, right? Suppose this is one image tag in src. I can refer, I can give any image. So I'll say uh, image, and then let's go into image and try to just, I'm just trying to copy any image, copy image from here, or copy the URL, copy link address, image address, go to the code, paste it here. This is the image, you can see JPG, and then I have given width and height. Save it again and let's refresh this page. So now you can see we have this form is also coming. I'll add a break since we have not used any other thing, so I'll simply say br break, save it, refresh this page. So we have HTML form, then we have one box, and then image. Now if you'll see, still the right click is not working. Right click is not working anywhere, right? So for that, what we can do, okay, this is actually body, yeah. So right click is not working because we added a code on context menu prevent default. So now requirement is we want to only disable the right click on the uh, image so that nobody can copy the image. For example, here you can see we have this image. I can right click it and then copy the image, copy the image address, or I can save this image. So this behavior I want to restrict in our website. So for that, what we can do, we can add here a condition. We can add here a condition, and that the condition is if I'll say e dot here I'll say if e dot target dot, we have something called node name. So node name equal to let's say it is image, right? Then only do this thing. So target is image, then only do right click, else we should not do, we should allow the right click. So let's save it and then see whether it is working or not. Refresh it, and then I'll try to right click any other place. You can see it is working, but let's go here in image and then try to right click. Now you can see image right click is not working, but if I will right click in the text box it will work, any other place it will work, but if I will right click on the image it will not work. This is one of the best feature that you can add in your website. If you are writing for the blog or any other place, just add this piece of code and it will block right click on the image throughout the application. Hope you learned something from it. Thank you. See you in the next video.